This question comes from Anna. What if everyone on Earth jumped at the same time? 8 billion people, one giant leap, the biggest synchronized jump in history. What happens next? At first, it would look spectacular. Imagine stadiums, streets, and beaches packed with people, all bending their knees, and then pushing off into the air together. For a brief moment, Earth would be completely silent, because all the feet left the ground. But what does science have to say? Let's talk about weight. Together, humans weigh about 560 billion kilograms. That's like stacking millions of elephants on a giant scale. But Earth's mass, 6 septillion kilograms. That's a 6 with 24 zeros after it. Compared to that, humanity is a grain of dust on a mountain. So, what would the effect be? It's like a mosquito trying to push an elephant. And not just any elephant, an elephant the size of a planet. The mosquito buzzes with all its strength, but the elephant doesn't even notice. Still, physics gives us hope. Momentum equals mass times velocity. If you measure carefully, Earth actually shifts, but the shift is ridiculously small. How small? Imagine lining up atoms, one after another. Our Earth's movement would be smaller than the size of a single atom. If Earth had a speedometer, the needle wouldn't even twitch. That's so small it makes a snail look like a rocket. And then, the moment everyone lands, the push cancels out. The downward push cancels out the upward one. In the end, Earth's movement equals zero. But the energy doesn't vanish. Together, we release about 2.5 trillion joules. That's like 400 million toasters running for 1 second, or half the energy of the Hiroshima bomb. Sounds scary, but wait. That energy spreads across the whole planet. In New York, maybe a window rattles. In Tokyo, your coffee rippled. And that's it. No disasters. Let's imagine an alternative scenario where people jumped on trampolines. In the same way, nothing would have happened since the springs would have absorbed the impact. If all the people jumped onto boats in the ocean at the same time, the ocean would rock slightly, like a bathtub. What's the final verdict? Will anything happen to Earth? Number, Earth wouldn't even notice. But 8 billion people would look absolutely ridiculous. So, the bottom line is, the Earth isn't moving, energy is dissipating, people are ridiculous. Thanks for watching, and if you've got more absurd ideas, share them below. I might turn one into the next experiment.